Identify each part of a flowering plant and write whether it is haploid or diploid. Haploid means 1, diploid means 2. Hap means 1, di means 2. So, let's start with ovary. Ovary has 2n. Anther is again diploid, 2n. Egg is what? Haploid. Why? Because it is a sex cell. It's a gamete. Fourth is pollen. Again, pollen is what? Male sex cell. So it is haploid. Haploid. Again, male what? Formation of an egg with a sperm forms zygote, and the zygote is always diploid. So we are done with this question. Ovary is diploid, anther is diploid, egg is always haploid, pollen is haploid, male gamete is again haploid, and lastly zygote is diploid. So kids, this is your question number 11 and answer with it.